Afternoon, everybody. Just a quick little update on the farm here. Billy goats, turkeys, chickens. Sugar's here today. More turkeys. We got turkeys everywhere now. New little baby ducks over there. And actually got a couple of new bourbons hens. Real bourbon hens. They're pretty good size. I don't know if Bob's been so lucky yet, but they are laying some eggs. I can tell the difference between the eggs. While you're prepping, everybody, don't forget to prep for your animals. Availability and price of feed is definitely going up. So get the feed you need and put it back for your animals to last for a few months if you can, if at all possible. Ducks, chickens, they're still hatching. Mama's got a few babies, as always. Give you a little garden update here. There's the bees. They're still doing good. I should have turned off the water. Somebody's eating the kale up pretty good, so we're going to feed it to the chickens. It's a worm, I suspect. But we need to clean all that off of there and get rid of it. Worms are eating it. Tomatoes is still putting out. Of course, we've been canning relish. Beans we never have really picked. They're putting out. We just never have really picked them. Lots of peppers. That's the jalapeno down there. Another jalapeno over here. These are okras. Got okras on them. Coon got into our corn, tore all the corn down, pretty much ate all of it. But got lots of habanero peppers. These are super hot. I don't know if you can see them all on there, but we just got loaded with habaneros. Yeah, scorpions haven't produced anything yet, but they're coming along. There is some okra on there. I don't know if she's already cut it off today or not, but I'm gonna let the water go by here. Here are okras. I think she's already went through here and picked most of the good ones off today. But more jalapenos, peppers. You got lots of peppers. Squashes over there. Squashes. Asparagus bed is doing good. Asparaguses, we got them coming up good. Raspberries. Fruit trees still yet to go in. Carrots, they never have done a lot. Goji berry, I don't think it's liking its spot. The poblano is making plenty of peppers. It's got peppers all over it. Here's some hot cayennes. Hot cayennes are just loaded down with peppers. And they've been picked. There's banana peppers. And our peppers. Any squashes down there ready? I thought I saw a couple that were ready. Oh, pepper plant falling over. Picked a big old fat worm off of my eggplants earlier. But got some eggplants there. Peppers falling over. Eggplants. I have a couple of them. But you can see where the worm was here. He got a hold of this one before I caught him. There's some squashes and cucumbers out in there. More peppers. Loaded down with jalapenos. Hot Thai peppers. There's the ant bed I want to show you the secret trick on. Cherry tomatoes. They've pretty much been ate up by bugs by the time they started producing. See if I could see that worm on here, and I would squish him right quick, but Weenie may have already came through and got him. A few small tomatoes on there. Looks like they ate that one pretty good. They ate that one completely down bare. So let's stay up here on these that ain't producing. That'd be alright with me, but if I could find him, I'd sure squish him. All the cayenne peppers hanging off of there. Beans, again, we never did harvest them. Mint. Basil. Broccoli. More okras over there that didn't do too good. Cilantro. Mint. I don't actually know what this is. Bok choy did alright till it got really hot. More mints, cucumbers. There's some maters over there, might do something. Eggplants here. If we got any eggplants on them or not, but check them for worms right quick. And beans, lots of beans. We're just feeding those to the chickens and the goats. There's a little water here. Mint, basil, lots of good spices here. Again, the coons got the corn. I wasn't planning on fighting them off this year. That's pretty much the garden. Getting hot now. It needs to be tilled up and replanted for spring. There's a whole basket of peppers, maters. What's in the green thing in the bag? Kale?
Oh, cayenne pepper.
Oh, cayenne. There's lots of blooms down in there. We haven't seen any squash yet, but season's been hard on everything. Lucky to get anything for the first year. You can see how the bugs are just eating that kale up. We're going to pull that out, feed it to the chickens, maybe get rid of the worms. It's been growing back when we clip it. I don't know if it's going to grow back after that clipping or not, but that's a little tour of the garden, guys. Berries are doing all right. They like water, but they blooming. Got some blooms up there, so maybe some berries. Everybody getting ready for the night. Turkey, what are you doing? I ain't doing nothing with the greenhouse yet. Rabbit's still there. I got all my steel pretty much here, ready to weld all the greenhouse together. There's some steel in here also for my stairs, and make my railing for my stairs. Quail's doing good. There's my rooster run. I'm gonna get with you guys and show you the best chicken water that I found so far. I hate dirty water bowls for my animals, so I'm always looking for a good way to keep water bowls clean. So I'm gonna show you my little trick here. Involves that blue barrel, some gravity, and a neat little device I found. So there's Pig Pig. Big Pig, you hungry, Big Pig? Big Pig! Oh yeah, Big Pig. You ain't had nothing all day, have you, Pig Pig? There's treats from the house. A lot of you ask why you throw it out on the ground, why not put it in her feeder? She just throws it out on the ground anyway, so it don't really matter. And the pig's lips are like fingers. They can pick up the smallest stuff. So it doesn't bother her. She'll get every little crumb the chickens don't get. That's an update for now, guys. More to come. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.